Welcome to Artistic Documentation. Key marketing functions of a website in the tourism industry, from awareness to conversion. A website in the tourism industry plays a central role as the digital front door of a destination, travel agency, hotel, airline, or tour operator. It is the first point of contact for most travelers and often the deciding factor in whether they choose a service, plan a trip, or make a booking. Effective tourism websites perform multiple marketing functions, from building awareness to driving conversions while enhancing visitor engagement, brand reputation, and long-term customer loyalty. Below is a detailed exploration of all key functionalities of a tourism website, each explained in dedicated paragraphs, covering its full role across the marketing funnel. Building brand awareness through digital presence. A tourism website serves as the primary platform for establishing brand awareness in a competitive market. When potential travelers begin researching destinations or services, the website becomes a powerful touchpoint that introduces them to the company's identity, values, offerings, and personality. High-quality visuals, a cohesive brand voice, and clear messaging help shape first impressions. In tourism, where emotional appeal matters, aesthetics, storytelling, and tone collectively strengthen brand recognition. A compelling website ensures that visitors not only remember the brand but also associate it with professionalism, trust, and memorable experiences. Trust is essential in tourism because travel purchases involve risk, cost, and emotional investment. A professional website signals legitimacy and reliability, particularly for global travelers who cannot physically verify the company. Elements such as secure payment systems, verified reviews, certifications, awards, and clear policies for cancellations or refunds boost credibility. High-quality photography, updated information, and transparent pricing further reassure visitors. A website that communicates authority and authenticity increases customer confidence, which is crucial for travelers selecting hotels, tours, or transportation. Delivering rich destination information. One of the most important functions of a tourism website is to provide comprehensive destination information that helps travelers make informed decisions. This includes details about attractions, culture, events, weather, transportation, safety, and local customs. By offering well-organized, in-depth content, a website positions itself as a reliable research resource. When travelers find all essential information in one place, their reliance on the website deepens, increasing the likelihood of future bookings. Moreover, rich destination content also enhances educational value and supports responsible tourism. Thanks for watching this video. Feel free to join us at our private group.